In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video lesson in Teachable. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a video to your course and publish it so your students can start learning right away. First, head into your Teachable admin area and choose the course you want to work on. This is your course's home base, where all the content and settings live. Once you've selected the correct course, open the Curriculum tab. Think of the curriculum as the course's structure. This is where sections and lessons are organized and where you'll add your content. Inside the curriculum, decide whether you want to add your video to an existing lesson or create a new one. If you already have a lesson ready, just click it to open the editor. If not, create a new lesson within the section where it belongs. Give the lesson a clear, descriptive title so learners immediately understand what they'll get from it. Keeping your sections and lessons organized now will make your course easier to navigate later. With the lesson editor open, it's time to add your video. Click Add Content, then select Add Video. This creates a dedicated video block inside your lesson. You can always supplement the video with text, images, or downloadable resources around it, but the video block is where your main presentation will live. Next, upload your video file. You can pick a file directly from your computer or choose a file stored in cloud services like Dropbox or Google Drive. For best results, use a high-quality file that balances clarity with a reasonable size. Formats like MP4 tend to work well. Naming your file clearly, such as including the module and lesson title, can help keep your library tidy as your course grows. After you select your file, give Teachable time to upload and process it. The progress bar will help you track the upload, and processing may take a few moments depending on the video length and quality. When processing finishes, the video will appear right in the editor so you can confirm it looks and sounds the way you expect. If you spot something that needs adjusting, you can re-upload the corrected file before making it public. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish to make the lesson live. Publishing ensures your students can access the video in the course player. If you're not quite ready for learners to see it, simply wait to publish until you've finalized all the details. That's it, you've successfully uploaded a video lesson in Teachable.